Hello lads. Welcome to my channel DanTech. In today's video we will be discussing about the application made by State Bank of Pakistan to literate people about the different topics like savings and investment, income and expenditures and much more. This application will help to revise all the concepts of economics, finance and mathematics. Let's jump into the video. Playing this game will not only increase your knowledge. This application has 3 levels. You can choose any level accordingly. You will also earn a certificate upon the completion of game. Let's begin the game.
Our story starts some 12 years ago, when 10-year-old Shereen and her cousin Ali saved some money to plant a pomegranate sapling. At the time, Shereen lived with her younger brother Daniyal and parents Saftar and Rabia in the city. Ali lived on a farm with his mother Nusrat. The children sowed the fruit from the tree and soon expanded their business to plant a beautiful orchard of 7 pomegranate trees on Ali's farm. The children would transport their fruit to the city and sell it at Saftar's fruit shop. By the time they were 15 years old, Shereen and Ali had saved enough to invest in a juice maker and started selling pomegranate juice at the shop. With their parents' help, both children used the earnings from their business to successfully develop a family savings plan for their university fees. Although the children were studying in the university, they continued to help Saftar with the fruit and juice business. Shereen and Ali have just graduated from university. Let's see what the future holds for them.
Income is money received. An individual may have many different sources and types of income. Some common sources of income include wages and salaries. For example, the monthly salary you receive as an employee at a software firm, or the daily wage you receive as a graphic design freelancer. Profits from business. For example, the profit you make from a side business as a photographer. Profits on investment. For example, the rent you receive on a property you own, or dividends received on stocks. Gifts. For example, the money you receive from your parents, and government transfers. For example, a government scholarship you receive to attend university. Expenses are the daily amounts you spend on goods or services. For example, you can spend money on rent, electricity and gas, food and household goods, transport, education and health, and entertainment, luxuries and gifts. The income you receive is used to fund these daily expenditures. Noting down all your various income and expenses allows you to keep track of your personal finances. Your items of income and expense may be fixed or variable. Fixed income or expense is the same over different periods. For example, if you need to pay rent for your house of 10,000 rupees every month, then rent is a fixed expense. An item of variable income or expense changes over different periods. For example, if you have profit from a business of 10,000 rupees in one month, 12,000 rupees in the second month, and 8,500 rupees in the third month, then profit is an item of variable income. The most important financial aim of an individual is that for any given period, total income should be greater than total expenses.
After completing all the modules, you will unlock all the achievements and your progress bar will be full. Clicking on the home button and then tapping on the certificate button, you can download your certificate. I got mine. Get yours fast. Thank you. Please like and subscribe.